There we go.
Josh hasn't worked here since 2020, which means he hasn't tinted a window in 3 years. Today that changes.
I'm gonna spray it, I'm gonna scrub it, and I'm gonna squeegee it.
Show's yours, baby.
Okay. So we sprayed it. We're gonna scrub it. Squeegee.
Oh, this isn't the camera.
Squeegee. Squeegee.
I got you, baby. Thank you.
Squeegee.
Whoa. All right, Josh, now what do we do?
We're gonna torch it.
If you want to learn how to catch a car on fire, we're going to show you. So this is the most important part. What is that? What was that?
It's an M.
For what?
Team up north, baby.
Oh my. Yeah. And that's how you do not tint a window.